Hey there, and welcome to WP Beginner Podcast. And today, let's talk about how to use the psychology of pop-ups to boost your signups. I know pop-ups can sometimes feel annoying, but when used right, they can be super helpful for growing your email list. At WP Beginner, we've been using pop-up marketing for over 10 years, and we found some proven strategies that can increase signups by around 250%. Here are some of my tips so you can create pop-ups that feel valuable rather than intrusive. Let's dive in. First up, timing is everything. Imagine walking into a store and having an overly eager salesperson start pitching you products right away. Kind of aggressive, right? Like, you want to give people space to browse before jumping in with suggestions. Same goes for pop ups. Wait until visitors seem ready before displaying helpful pop ups. The right timing keeps things from feeling pushy. This is where clever pop up tools like Opt-in Monster come in handy. You can set rules to display pop ups only after someone spends a certain amount of time on your site or clicks a specific number of pages. There are also nifty options like showing a pop up when someone is about to leave your site. Smart timing, happy visitors. Next, personalization is key. Studies show 74% of folks expect personalized content, and it can increase conversions by 42%. The trick is tailoring your pop-ups based on visitor behavior when you don't already have their info. This is where referral detection can help. For example, if a visitor comes from Pinterest, you can show them a special pop-up with a discount for signing up. Or if they're on a specific product page, you can show a related pop-up. Location-based personalization works great too. And once someone signs up, you can get really custom by using their name, gender, birthday, etc. The more relevant your pop-ups, the better the results. Social proof is another biggie. People follow the crowd, so showing that others have subscribed builds trust and credibility fast. Simple stuff like displaying your subscriber numbers works, but you can take it further with testimonials from influencers who dig your newsletter. Urgency and scarcity are powerful motivators too. Limited time discounts or offers for the first 100 subscribers create urgency and the fear of missing out. Just use these strategies authentically without fake countdown timers or exaggerated claims. Speaking of FOMO, promote exclusive subscriber content that's blurred out on your site. This makes visitors curious to unlock the full experience by signing up. You're building serious anticipation. Emotional appeal is important too. Choose images and power words that trigger excitement, curiosity, and other positive feels. Test different headlines to see which resonate most. Smart copy and visuals boost conversions. Finally, use color psychology. While specific hues don't impact pop-ups much, high contrast on-brand colors make calls to action stand out. This makes it easy for visitors to find where to click. Okay, those are my top tips for using psychology to get those sign-up numbers up. What do you think? Have any other pop-up strategies that have worked for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you want even more pop-up know-how, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got a ton of WordPress video tutorials. And thanks for listening.